Improving the graphics settings in Red Dead Redemption 2 can enhance your gaming experience significantly. Follow these steps to boost the graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, select Settings and then go to the Graphics tab to view the current graphics options available. Step 2. Adjust resolution. Set the resolution to match your monitor's native resolution for the best visual clarity. High resolutions provide sharper images but may require more powerful hardware. Step 3. Modify texture quality. In the graphics settings, locate the texture quality option. Increase it to high or ultra to improve the detail of surfaces and objects in the game, provided your system can handle it. Step 4. Enable advanced graphics options. Look for advanced graphics settings such as ambient occlusion, reflection quality, and shadow quality. Turn these options to higher settings to enhance realism, but monitor performance to avoid lag. Step 5. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers, as updates can improve performance and compatibility with the game. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the graphics quality of Red Dead Redemption 2, making your gaming experience more immersive. Enjoy your adventure in the Wild West.